Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
I'm very grateful to be a part of the Bharatiya Party because I want to take forward Mr. Parikhar's vision for Goa. We will be looking at working towards increasing the value of the Bharatiya Janata Party in Goa. Is if they can bring to us a list of legally defined fears or cases, then we will raise it up with the government. You see, a lot of the cases that some of them have been putting forward, some of them are genuine and some of them were fictitious or aggravated issues. I'm saying the relationship that I have with the Prime Minister and the Prime Ministerial Office is if the Christians in India are having a fear, then I believe it is our responsibility to ensure that they are not fearful because they shouldn't be. So if there is a genuine problem, we will address it. If there is a problem of propaganda, then I really can't address a propaganda.